A hypothesis is a statement or assumption that you propose based on existing knowledge or theories, which you then test through research and experimentation. In scientific research, a hypothesis is often formulated as a tentative explanation or prediction about the relationship between variables. It serves as a starting point for investigation and guides the research process by providing a clear focus and direction. There are two main types of hypotheses. Null hypothesis, H0. This hypothesis states that there is no significant difference or relationship between variables. It assumes that any observed effects are due to chance or random variation. Alternative hypothesis, also known as the research hypothesis, this hypothesis contradicts the null hypothesis by proposing that there is a significant difference or relationship between variables. It suggests that the observed effects are not merely due to chance. Researchers use hypothesis testing to evaluate the validity of the null hypothesis and determine whether there is enough evidence to support the alternative hypothesis. This process involves collecting data, performing statistical analysis, and drawing conclusions based on the results. If the evidence supports the alternative hypothesis, it suggests that there is a meaningful relationship or effect, which contributes to scientific knowledge and understanding. The null hypothesis, H0, plays a pivotal role in scientific research, particularly in hypothesis testing. It serves as the default assumption that there is no significant difference or relationship between variables under investigation. In simpler terms, H0 suggests that any observed effects or differences are purely due to chance or random variation, rather than being the result of a meaningful relationship or effect. The formulation of a null hypothesis is crucial in hypothesis testing because it provides a benchmark against which researchers can evaluate their findings. By assuming no effect or relationship, researchers establish a baseline expectation for their experiments or studies. This allows them to assess whether the observed data deviates significantly from what would be expected under the null hypothesis. For example, imagine a study investigating the impact of a new teaching method on student performance. The null hypothesis in this case might state that there is no significant difference in academic performance between students taught using the new method and those taught using traditional methods. This hypothesis sets the stage for comparing the outcomes of both groups and determining whether any observed differences can be attributed to the teaching method itself or are merely due to chance. In hypothesis testing, researchers collect data, conduct statistical analysis, and calculate probabilities to assess the likelihood of obtaining the observed results under the null hypothesis. If the data provides strong evidence against the null hypothesis, researchers may reject H0 in favor of the alternative hypothesis, which asserts the presence of a meaningful relationship or effect. However, it's important to note that failing to reject the null hypothesis does not necessarily prove that there is no effect or relationship. It simply means that the data collected do not provide sufficient evidence to support the alternative hypothesis. Researchers often use additional studies or analyses to further investigate and confirm their findings. In summary, the null hypothesis serves as a critical foundation for hypothesis testing, helping researchers evaluate the significance of their results and draw valid conclusions about the relationships between variables in their research. The alternative hypothesis, also referred to as the research hypothesis, stands in direct contrast to the null hypothesis, H0, in hypothesis testing. While the null hypothesis assumes no significant difference or relationship between variables, the alternative hypothesis proposes the opposite. Specifically, asserts that there is indeed a meaningful and significant difference or relationship between the variables under investigation, indicating that the observed effects are not merely due to chance or random variation. Formulating an alternative hypothesis is a fundamental step in scientific research as it represents the hypothesis that researchers seek to support with their data and analyses. It serves as the focal point of investigation, suggesting that there is a real and measurable impact or association between the variables of interest. For instance, continuing with the example of a study on teaching methods and student performance, the alternative hypothesis, might state that students taught using the new teaching method demonstrate significantly higher academic performance compared to those taught using traditional methods. This hypothesis implies that the observed differences in performance are not random fluctuations but are instead attributed to the specific teaching approach being studied. In hypothesis testing, researchers gather empirical data through experiments, surveys, or observations and then employ statistical techniques to evaluate the strength of the evidence in support of the alternative hypothesis. The goal is to determine whether the observed results are sufficiently unlikely under the assumption of the null hypothesis, thereby providing support for Rejecting the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis signifies that the data provide compelling evidence of a genuine effect or relationship between the variables. This outcome carries significant implications for scientific understanding, as it suggests that the variables under study are indeed connected in a meaningful way. It's important to note that the alternative hypothesis does not necessitate the complete rejection of the null hypothesis in all cases. Instead, it seeks to demonstrate that the observed effects are unlikely to occur solely due to chance, highlighting the presence of a substantive relationship or difference that warrants further investigation and consideration. In summary, the alternative hypothesis serves as the driving force behind hypothesis testing, guiding researchers in exploring and validating meaningful relationships and effects within their research domains.